I had always had an interest on working on machines, saw the program and I was really interested, so I joined.
I've always been interested in the trade, take away quite a few things, figured I could join and learn, take back home to the farm.
So Fridays we get to go up and operate on the hill and operate equipment.
Here we get to operate excavators, dozers, there's a tractor out there, a small tractor, skid steers, stuff of that nature.
We also get to come in here into the shop and learn how to weld, do some torching, but we also get to learn how to rebuild engines. We get to learn on hydraulics, electrical systems, and transmissions. We do get to do some job shadowing and certifications. We do NCCR certifications. We also get a CPR and first aid certification and a OSHA 10 certification. This program is a really good opportunity of learning how things work. I wouldn't say it's an easy program, but it is a very honoring program of being able to learn how things work.
If you have any interest in this trade or in operating, you can learn a lot here and be able to take it back to your future, to your job you're working at now. It looks good on a resume to show your employer.
Even if you're not going to go into a career in the heavy equipment field, it is a really good way to learn these skills you can take back and use them on your own personal vehicles.